Yesterday I was explaining this. There are three, even you can hear also, you can take down, no need of totally watching the mobile also. There are three types of consumer forums. One is at the district level, other is at the state level, and the third one is at the national level. You are right. District forum, the claim amount, the settlement amount can be less than 20 lakhs. I told normal way we will be approaching the district forum. Okay, only in the case of builder or residential properties, the claim will be more than 20 lakhs. So in that case, we will be going to the state level, that is 20 lakhs and less than 1 crore. If that claim amount is higher than 1 crore, then naturally we have to go to the national level commission. You may ask the doubt, madam, ye sab kuch hoga. For your information, consumer court is acting very expeditiously and they are taking the decisions quite fast. If you are reading the newspaper, you can see that so many cases, builders are not giving the possession of the flat in time. They take the money, they promise, then 6 months will be delayed, 1 year will be delayed, even then the flat will not be, possession will not be given. Okay, in that case, or they promise so many things and that will not be given. So members, the residents go to the consumer forum. When consumer forum is imposing heavy penalty on the builder for the delay possession, handing over of the flat. Listen, for delay handing over of the flat. So don't think that, consumer courts are also like the other courts. Other court mean delay happens. But consumer court mean that much delay will not happen. And I told you here, various equipments at the house, washing machine, air condition. Suppose there are defects in that, 100% you can approach the consumer court. They will be giving you very good, quick judgment and the decisions will be taken. Then this also I told you, Consumer Protection Act has recognized the following rights of the consumers. That is the right to choice, that already हमने देखा. Those who were not there yesterday, you can take down. Right to safety, right to be informed, right to be heard, right to redress, right to consumer education. There are 6 consumer rights. There are 6 consumer rights. Take down the points, don't depend upon technology too much. Okay, now we are talking about the Consumer Protection Act, which has changed in 2019. 16 के बाद भी I told you this is the latest one. 2019 में क्या changes आ गया? The main changes. This is the most important one. The Consumer Protection Act is covering e-commerce transaction. Children, give me the example. They go tele-shopping, direct selling, multi-level marketing. Everything is covered under Consumer Protection Act now. That means e-transactions are covered under consumer protection. It is a challenging, amendment you can call. What's the reason? Nowadays, especially after COVID, even otherwise also, online shopping is becoming a common spree of purchase. Especially boys, especially the working people. They don't want to spend their time in traveling, going to the malls. If you are really seriously thinking, even I feel going to the mall is a waste. What is the reason? पहला तो पहुंचने के लिए इतना टाइम लगेगा, पहुंचने के बाद वो शॉप की तरह ढूंढने के लिए इतना टाइम जाएगा, then आपको जो चाहिए मिलने पर ठीक है, otherwise it's a waste of journey. 5 to 6 hours will be wasted. I don't know, suppose that I'm staying near our city. Some guests have come in my house. I want bread, butter, sugar. मेरे सामने ही आरसीटी मॉल, उधर जाकर ये सब लेकर आने पर गेस्ट गया होगा. So this is not a convenient way. Instead, online is much better. Especially by sitting in my office, I can online vegetables at home. I can online food, anything. And young people like you, most of you are buying the mobiles through online. Okay, or if you wanted to buy a laptop, desktop, XYZ, everybody is buying through online. And there are a lot of complaints against online, especially against Amazon. So many complaints are coming. Flipkart, Amazon. आप देखा होगा, what is the problem that you faced with Amazon delivery? एक तो क्वालिटी है, बट वो तो 7 days रिप्लेसमेंट में चला जाएगा. हाँ, फ्लिपकार्ट वाला नहीं देते, ओनली अमेज़न वाला देता है, फ्लिपकार्ट वाला नहीं देते. एक तो उससे भी अलावा अमेज़न में एक बड़ा इश्यू है, आपने नोटिस किया या नहीं? फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैड ऑर्डर्ड से ईयरफोन, वायरलेस ईयरफोन ऑर्डर कर दिया. मैं घर में ही नहीं, मेरा बिल्डिंग में जो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड है उसके पास देकर जाएगा. किसके भी पास वो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड है, उधर ड्राइवर बैठने पर उसके हाथ में भी देकर जाएगा. अब देखो, अमेज़न किधर भी सिग्नेचर लेता नहीं है, जो सामने के उसके पास जाकर दे विल गो. सपोज इज ए कॉस्टली आइटम, 200-300 रुपीज ईयरफोन तो ठीक है. If it is a costly item, it's a real problem. Similarly, you are ordering the books from Amazon. Sometimes what happens, they will not deliver only. They will say the book is out of our stock. All on a sudden, you will not get it. Then, as he said, many items, the quality gets affected. So now, because of this change, what is happening? We can lodge a complaint against Amazon. Not only against Amazon, Flipkart, XYZ, Big Basket. Big Basket ka ab dekha hoga, you are young children abhi. During online and all, everybody was ordering vegetables वगैरह Big Basket. बारिश हो गया समझो, Big Basket वाले का एड्रेस ही नहीं होगा. During the time of rain only, we want all these things at home. They will not come only. And many times, even the quality is also poor. It is not, I am not trying to say that entire online purchase is a failure. Not at all. You can sit at home and you can order. You take the case of Swiggy, Zomato. I am very tired. I reach home by evening. I don't have the stamina to make the food. So it's very easy for me to order via Swiggy. जल्दी मिल जाता है. पहले कैसा था, घर से कोई जाकर लाना पड़ता था. अभी घर का बाजू का दुकान का भी आइटम through the Swiggy we can order. So there are a lot of plus points for online. The only issue is that there should be some platform where the issues of online transaction has to be solved. So Consumer Protection Act means it's a major change. Otherwise, cyber security, cyber issues, OTP मिल गया, पैसा गया, okay. Otherwise, GPay से पैसा गया, लेकिन other party को मिला नहीं, XYZ. So all these things are covered under the new act, the new Amendment Act. Increase in pecuniary limit. Children, what do you mean by pecuniary? Pecuniary means monetary. Monetary means, pecuniary means monetary. Money related. Money related. पहले कैसा था डिस्ट्रिक्ट फोरम का, अब देखो, ये देखो डिस्ट्रिक्ट फोरम का क्लेम था 20 लाख. 2019 में चेंज हुआ. अभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट फोरम का देखो, डिस्ट्रिक्ट फोरम का लेवल, the compensation does not exceed 1 crore. So आधा से ज्यादा काम आपका इधर ही हो जाएगा. 20 crore तक now you can go to the district court. Well, it was 20 lakh. This is up to 1 crore, not 20 crore. Up to 1 crore, you can go to the district forum. Then 1 crore to 10 crore, you can approach state court or the state district board. Then more than 20 crore or more than, yes, when it is exceeding 10 crore, you can approach the National Commission. So government has increased the limit of the court. Sometimes what happens, if it is a 20 lakh rupees item, when it cannot be solved at the district level, आप सोचेंगे कौन जाएगा मैडम, स्टेट के लिए किधर किधर जाना पड़ेगा. So people won't go only. So to avoid that, what is happening? Now they had increased the limit of district court. आप भी क्या करेगा, नजदीक होने पर जाएगा. Otherwise, people may not be preferring to go. Okay. Now, this is also very important, children. E-filing of the, very good children. E-filing of the complaints are allowed. देखो, very, very, very important. क्या है e-filing? वो तो आपका आंसर दे सकते हैं. E-filing क्या है? Online filing. You can complain. You can register the complaint online. पहले कैसा था, मैडम ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट फोरम किधर है, इवन आई डोंट नो वेयर इज इट. उसका एड्रेस ढूंढकर उधर जाना पड़ेगा. उधर जाने पर बोलेगा आज का टाइम खत्म हो गया, अगेन जाना पड़ेगा. उसी दिन बोलेगा ऑफिसर आया ही नहीं. Like that 3-4 times you have to go. You have to collect the form, you have to fill it, then you have to submit it. So it's very tedious. Now nothing like that. You can sit at home and lodge the complaint. That is the meaning of e-filing. And always remember, e-filing is something which is pretty good. I told very young children, Bandra Kurla complex dekha girls. Bandra Kurla complex dekha ya nahi? Ah, dekha. Nahi to dekhne ka. Boys might have seen, that's the reason. Bandra Kurla complex, there is an income tax building. Okay. I'm talking about 5 years before, 6 years before. ITR filing के लिए सुबह से you will have to stand in the queue. You get so irritated, and it is income tax. If you do not file the return, they will catch hold of you. So somebody has to go there and stand in the line for hours together. It is very difficult. Today तो issue ही नहीं. 100% you will have to submit online. So आप ही देखो how much time we are saving. Go one day, second day, third day. So online is no doubt at all. It reduces your work. Only thing, according to the concerned timings, we will have to make the changes. That is very important. So ये क्या लिखा है देखो. Consumer Protection Act 2019 provides flexibility. One minute. Okay. Okay. So this provides flexibility to the consumer to file the complaint with the jurisdictional consumer forum located at the place of residence or work of consumer. Boys, I am staying in Chembur. I cannot go and complain in the Thana court, Thana consumer court. My place of residence or the problem has occurred in my place of work. So PLO can demand say he complain करना पड़ेगा. E-filing, whatever may be the filing. So that now what is happening is they are making the things more easy so that people will start using these things. CPA 19 also allow the provision for consumer to find out the complaints Okay, children. Sorry. So I was explaining you, Consumer Protection Act is allowing the provision for consumer to find out the complaints electronically and for hearing or examining the parties through video conferencing. ये देखो, children, ये सब बहुत important है. Nowadays, video conferencing has become a regular feature, especially after this COVID. So ये तो before है, ये तो COVID का पहले का changes है. So Consumer Protection Act is allowing your problems to be heard through video conferencing. Tell me, what is video conferencing? The same thing what I am doing now. So many children are sitting at home and I am teaching. Okay. So what is happening? Suppose some student is having the doubt. He can come on the video, come through the video and he can clear it. Video conferencing means I will be in my home. Consumer protection ka jo officer hai, he will be in his office and there will be a Skype call. Skype ka call arrange karega, nahi to Zoom call arrange karega. So we can see across, and suppose they want to see some document, you can show that. So that is the meaning of video conferencing. Young children, I told no place you have to read a lot. Big hospitals like Lilavati, Fortis, Ambani, all the big hospitals are now providing video consultancy for your information. I told you these are all because of this, COVID related issues. The patient is not in a position to go to the hospital, or patient does not want to go to hospital because it's a crowded place. I want to avoid. So they are arranging the video conferencing. Skype call setup करके रखना पड़ेगा. Doctor online में आएगा. You can also tell your problem. If still the doctor thinks, because we know that what is inside the stomach, inside the kidney, वो सब touch करके मालूम पड़ेगा. At least emergency के लिए तो कुछ treatment नहीं तो कुछ test बोलेगा. You can take the test and you can carry the test report. So that type of facilities are, available nowadays. Did you understand what is video conferencing? Now, I told Skype, that is best. One-to-one होने पर Skype call ही arrange करेगा. Otherwise, आपको मालूम है Google Meet है, okay, WhatsApp video, so many things are there nowadays. Earlier एक ही था वो Skype था. Now we are having so many options. This is aimed to provide procedural flexibility. Boys are not listening. Why the government is making the changes? They want to make the thing simple. You please, that girl is not listening. Please remember, if it is very complicated, जाने दो ना madam, कौन जाएगा? That will be the attitude of the people. So government want to see that it is becoming flexible. Okay. And reduce the inconvenience. ये देखो. And inconvenience and harassment for the consumer. Honestly telling you, complaining something is point number 1, creates inconvenience. Point number 2, harassment. You ask me, police station में जाने का बात करने पर only I get irritated. Everybody, you ask your parents, nobody will go to the police station. आज तो police station थोड़ा जाकर देखकर आएगा. करके pleasure trip में nobody will go to the police station. Why everybody is reluctant to go to the police station? थोड़ा loudly बोलो. Police station जाने के लिए लोग तैयार नहीं है. Reason? आवाज किधर गया? सुनता ही नहीं है. Let me check online, children. No, now I am not on mute, children. No, I am not on mute. Can you hear me? Online? Yeah, time, okay, answer, yeah, very good. I can ask you, the basic reason is police station mein jaane par, as somebody has told, even you may be telling, I cannot hear. There's so much time is wasted over there. Aapka, suppose that you lost your mobile. बड़ा हीरो समझकर जाता है पुलिस स्टेशन में कंप्लेंट करके अभी आएगा करके, समझा। पुलिस स्टेशन में कंप्लेंट करने के लिए जाना वोडाफोन गैलरी में जाकर बैठने के जैसा है, दोनों में एक ही है। वोडाफोन में आप रिपेयर के लिए कुछ भी इश्यू के लिए जाओ, मिनिमम 3-4 आवर्स तैयार करके जाने का। उसके पहले वो लोग, सिमिलर स्टोरी विद सैमसंग का सर्विस सेंटर। सैमसंग सर्विस सेंटर मतलब हाफ डे छुट्टी लेकर जाना पड़ेगा, that much time you have to sit. Similar stories with the police station, they will make you to sit like anything. Finally you will be so confused, aapne kaun sa purpose ke liye utar gaya. And they will ask in such a manner whether you are the complainant or whether you are the thief. You yourself will be confused. So government wants to avoid all this. So the best way is online. Because a person who stays far away, it is difficult for him to come. Abhi income tax also you see that it is faceless. FACELESS. Income tax ka pura faceless hai. Madam, ye faceless ka meaning kya hai? That is artificial intelligence ke through. Suppose that I am residing in Mumbai. Mera income tax ka ITR check karega somebody who is in Bhopal, somebody who is in Delhi. Delhi wale ka ITR dekhega somebody from Mumbai or from South. Nobody will see each other. And the person, officer will go through the file and write the appropriate comment. Madam, ye to kya hai? Pehle kaisa tha, income tax mein kuch issue aa gaya, then gaya. They will call you, you will have to go n number of times. Then you know that they are expecting money under the table, over the table, sab dena padega aapko. Abhi that is absolutely just stopped because it is faceless. I do not know who is the person who is having the issue. Similarly, the citizen does not know who is their officer. So technology is making such a fast, revolutionary changes. Please remember that. So now we were explaining online complaint. That's what we were explaining. Okay. The next is product liability. What is product liability? The new act introduced the concept of product liability. This itself is a good question. The new act has introduced one second. Okay. What is product liability? 1 minute. Online children, can you see the screen? No, they cannot see. Can you see the children? Can you see now? Now all today all are online. Okay. What a tamasha it is. Online. Product liability. Children, the new act has introduced the concept of product. Introduce the concept of product liability. That's a good question for objective. Consumer Protection Act has introduced dash in the year 2019. Product liability brings within the court and the product manufacturer, the product service provider, product seller for any claim for compensation. आपने seller का against complaint डाला, आपने complaint डाला manufacturer का against, wholesaler का against, they will be called by the consumer court. Please remember that. Because they want to hear. Earlier, nobody was liable. अब शॉपकीपर को पूछो, मैं तो मेरा सेल्समैन को बोलेगा, सेल्समैन को बोलेगा, उनमें मेरा मैनेजर को बोलेगा. Like that it will go. But your problem will not be solved. But now it is not like that. The producer is liable. Manufacturer is liable. Okay. The term product Seller includes a person who is involved in placing the product for commercial purpose. This includes e-commerce platform. So whenever you are providing things to the consumer, you should be having some very well planned ideas. Are we going to follow online? Are we going to follow offline? Everything has to be decided. Okay. So Consumer Protection Act is over. You try to get the textbook from the library, children.